Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be starting off by cooking dinner so I can go ahead and get this done and then start cleaning the kitchen. So here I am just cooking down some beef and I'm going to be adding some chili powder, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. And once I get all of the seasoning combined, I'm just going to be adding some water and throw in some carrots that I've chopped up and then bring that to a boil. And in this dish, you can really add whatever you want. I think bell peppers would be really good with this, jalapenos, even green beans or tomatoes. But all I had at the moment was carrots. And then I've just brought this up to a boil, and then I'm going to add some saffron rice into it. Or if y'all have it in your stores, it may be called yellow rice. It's just pre-seasoned rice, and they have little dried vegetables already in it. So those are going to rehydrate and add just like a little bit to your dish. So once that's boiling, I am actually going to be cutting up a cucumber, and I'm not adding this while the dish is cooking. I just basically topped it with some cucumber pieces because it adds a nice little crunch to it. And we're just having cut strawberries for dessert. So now that I've got that out of the way, I can start cleaning. So I'm just going to be using my Method antibacterial cleaner. This is my favorite kitchen cleaner. I believe it's in the bamboo scent, if I'm remembering that correctly, but it's the green antibacterial one. So I'm just going to be wiping everything down. And yes, I'm fully aware my dishes have really stacked up because we have eaten multiple times, and as you can tell, my dishwasher is already pretty much full. So we weren't adding anything to the dishwasher, so it just got stacked up in the sink. And I'm really bad about that too, because dishes are the worst part of my cleaning routine. I hate it. There's just something about it. Like, I don't want my hands to get wet or touching old food or something. I don't know. It's just my least favorite part of my cleaning schedule. So I'm going to be working on this, and then I'm just going to move on to the counters and to the range, and I will be using the same antibacterial spray. And at the end of the video, I'll show you what I created with some leftover strawberries. So I have been seeing this show up on Pinterest a lot. I believe it's a copycat for maybe a Starbucks pink drink or maybe like a version of it. But I'm just going to be using this passion tea. I'm just brewing it here, and it's got hibiscus, rose hips, orange peel, passion fruit. So to me, it's more floral than fruity. So I don't know if you would like drinking it by itself, but it's really good in this drink. So we had some strawberries left over, and I just cut those up into smaller pieces. But I would actually suggest either blending it so they're really fine or cutting them really, really small because our pieces were too big. So we had a bunch of it left at the bottom of the glass. And then I'm just adding some coconut milk. This is already pre-sweetened, and I've made it both ways with unsweetened and with the sweetened, and they both come out pretty good. So this is what the drink looks like after. I think it's really cute. And I just have these big straws left over from other drink recipes that I have. So you can find them on Amazon. Or if you're going to be blending the strawberries really fine, you probably won't even need it. You can just use a regular straw. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check back for my next video, and I will see y'all guys next time.